Hi Bonita, welcome to Elegant Brigade, and today we are talking about sheet masks. So sheet masks are really the talk of the town lately in Indian beauty industry, and these are Korean products which are newly launched and are in range for their beauty benefits. So I've bought these Dear Packer sheet masks which are exclusively available at Nykaa and are packed in conjugation with Nykaa. There is an offer going on that you have to pay for 5 and get 7. So I ordered. I'm trying to incorporate these sheet masks into my routine, and here are these masks. There are 7 of them. Dear Packer is exclusively making these sheet masks for Nykaa, and it is a Korean brand which in conjugation with Nykaa is creating some home remedy masks which are based on ancient Indian herbal recipes for glowing skin. So this first one here is cinnamon and honey sheet mask. Then I have this charcoal one which is clearing, and this brightening turmeric and yogurt. This soothing one made of green tea and jasmine flower. Then I have some lab collection masks as well, which is 3 of them basically. And first one is anti-blemish and pore care. The 2 are
So I don't know what happened to my camera and it is not recording any voice, so I'm doing the voiceover. And today I'm using this honey and cinnamon because lately my skin is not behaving well, and I'm getting breakouts here and there, so I think it would help me to use cinnamon on my face. But instead on the sheet mask it is listed as anti-aging, so I'm reading the benefits of cinnamon. It helps to restore the suppleness of the skin, correct the visible signs of aging. It lifts, smoothens, sculpts, re-texturizes and moisturizes the skin. Honey fights against signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines when deeply nourishes, and it has a micro cell sheet which fits nicely and cools down the temperature as it allows better tapping. It says to apply the mask on the face for 10 to 15 minutes and then gently remove. So I'm opening the pack now, and it has a tearing cut along edge. From there you can tear it off. So I'm just opening the sheet mask, and it is thoroughly absorbable film, although really wet, but it is not that dripping wet, and the sheet itself is quite thin compared to the face shop sheet masks. And I'm just going to gently open it up. It's a bit messy. So upon opening you can clearly see that there are clear spaces and separations for eyes and nose and mouth on the sheet mask, like a regular sheet mask which are available in the market. And it has came all through my fingers, but fun to apply. So I'm just quickly applying it onto my face and adjusting using the mirror and just coming back. So I applied the mask and the serum is getting collected near the edges, so I'm rubbing it onto my skin so as to get it absorbed well. And the mask itself is not very fit to the contours of my face, so I need to adjust it near my eyes. And it's not just comfortable near that corner, also I need to lift it up around the corner of my mouth, and the serum is just dripping onto my lips, and it is not fitting well onto my face. I'm sorry for the image. This is just shot on a selfie camera, and the mask has dried up onto my face for half an hour because I was busy in watching game show KBC where Shilpa Shetty was invited, and I'm just rubbing off the extra serum onto my neck and nape region and going back.
back, and I'm shooting here on my earlier camera, and I just wanted to review the product that it was such a nice product. It did give me a cooling sensation on my face, and despite it contained cinnamon, there's nothing tingling sort of on my face or wherever I applied the serum in my neck or nape region, and it was really comforting and soothing. Although the anti-aging benefit that it claims to have cannot be seen in just one application, you need to buy them more and use for a span of time to get the anti-aging benefits. Other than that, these sheet masks are really good to add into your vanity and are really handy to combat to definite or particular skin conditions, and it is really good. So if you want me to do a sheet mask, a homemade sheet mask kind of a thing, you please do let me know in the comments. Like my channel, share and subscribe, and do not hesitate, join the Elegant Brigade. Take care, bye bye.